Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I come up with new chapter that is trigonometry, and this trigonometry it is related with class 10th. Dear students, as you are aware, trigonometry literally means measurement of triangles. It is at present considered to be the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and the problem related with angles. In this way, trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. This trigonometry it is derived from three Greek words which are trigon and metron. This tri means three, gon means sided, and metron means measurement. So we can say in trigonometry we had to study the measurement of three-sided figure, and here we had to take a special three-sided figure that is known as right angled triangle. In trigonometry we have to keep focusing on only one type of triangle, that is right angled triangle. So in right angled triangle we are having one angle that is 90 degree. So the opposite of that angle is hypotenuse, and then the two legs, and one is known as the perpendicular, or we can say altitude, and the third is known as the base. And this base generally lies on the ground surface. In this trigonometry we have to study the relationship between the angles with respect with the sides of the triangle, and we have to study these sides keeping in mind the other two angles of a triangle excluding this 90-degree angle. So it means we have to keep focusing on angle A, let's take it as A, and angle B. And we have to study these sides in terms of sine, in terms of cosine, in terms of tan, in terms of the reciprocal of sine, that is cosec, reciprocal of this cosine, that is sec, and the reciprocal of this tan, that is known as cot. Here we have to keep on focusing on the trigonometric ratios. So it means the ratio in terms of the sides. This sine, if we are having here the angle theta, consider this angle, that means the angle which is under question, that is theta. In mathematics this is known as theta. The sine of angle theta, it is always equal to the side opposite to that. This is known as the opposite side of the theta. This is known as the adjacent side of the theta, and this is known as the hypotenuse. So if we are focusing on this angle theta here, the opposite of that is AC side. If we will focus once again on angle theta, the adjacent side of angle theta is BC, and this is the hypotenuse. So this sine of angle theta, it is always equal to side opposite to focused angle, that is angle theta, upon hypotenuse. So it means side opposite, it is AC, upon hypotenuse, that is AB. So here we are having the ratios in terms of sides. So sine of angle theta doesn't mean the multiplication of sine with angle theta. It is the sine of angle theta, and it can be read as sine of angle theta as it is there. So simply we are having thereafter cosine. If we will focus on the same angle theta here, this angle theta, and this cosine of angle theta, it is equal to side adjacent to angle theta, that is BC side, upon hypotenuse. So BC side adjacent to angle theta, it is BC upon hypotenuse, that is once again AB. So cosine of angle theta, or we can say cos of angle theta, it is always equal to side adjacent upon hypotenuse. Then we are having tan of angle theta. Tan of angle theta, it is equal to side opposite upon side adjacent. So simply we will write it as side at opposite to angle theta upon side adjacent to angle theta. Thereafter we are having reciprocal of this sine, and reciprocal of sine, as I had told you, it is cosec. And if we will focus on the same angle, that means cosec of angle theta, it is equal to hypotenuse. Because it is equal to the reciprocal, so we will write hypotenuse and then the side opposite to angle theta, and that is equal to hypotenuse is AB in terms of ratios, and side adjacent, side opposite, that is AC. So that is why in sine of angle theta we are having AC by AB, but in cosec we are having reciprocal of that, that means AB upon AC. Similarly, we are having the reciprocal of cos of angle theta, and that is equal to sec of angle theta. Sec of angle theta, as I have told you, it is reciprocal, so we will write hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle theta. Angle theta, and that is equal to hypotenuse is AB upon side adjacent, that is BC. AB upon BC, and then we are having reciprocal of tan, that is known as cot of angle theta, because we are having focusing here angle theta here, so cot of angle theta, and it is opposite to tan, so we will write side adjacent to angle theta and upon side opposite to angle theta. Side adjacent means BC side and side opposite means AC side. But keep one thing in mind, here we focus on angle B, or we can say angle theta. If we are having angle like this is here 90 degree. If it is A, B and C, sometimes this angle, sometimes we have to focus on this angle. So at that very time, this is the opposite side, this side will act as the opposite side and this side will act as the adjacent side. So in this manner you can find the sine of angle A, cos of angle A, tan of angle A. Sine of angle A, it is always equal to side opposite. Here it is BC, but in this figure it is AC, here it is BC, and then the hypotenuse, it will remain same. And thereafter, if we want to find the cos of angle theta, here it is side BC, but in this figure it is side AB. So it depends upon the angle on which we focus. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you.